Hi, it's Mary from the Movement Studio, and I have another tip, and this I learned from my teacher, Hruska at the Postural Restoration Institute, and I just wanted to share it with you all because it's a real gem. And so you need a wine cork. So if you happen to have one of these laying around the house, you're gonna put it between your teeth, and then you're gonna gently move your lower jaw forward. So almost like your teeth are now level with each other. So the jaw's gonna come forward, and then you're gonna translate it to one side. And as you do that, you're gonna weight shift onto that leg and breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. I'm gonna demonstrate this in a minute. And then you're gonna do the same thing. Just keep that jaw gently forward and then gently bring it over to the side. That's the key here. We don't wanna strain you here, and make sure that if your jaw, if it comes forward a little bit, that makes it easier to translate side to side. This is great for grounding and for your nervous system, okay? So I'm gonna step back and I'll show you what the whole thing looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate just this weight shifting just to one side, and I'm translating my jaw to this side, and I'm gonna breathe. Now the main thing here too is a good cue is to think about the floor coming up to meet you here. You're gonna stay for about 10 seconds and then just shift to the other side. Jaw is going that way, and I'm breathing in through my nose, out through my mouth. And just doing that a few times, maybe for about a minute, going back and forth. It's really simple and it's really effective. I hope you find that useful. Take care, everybody.